Hi there, I'm Michael Coleman. I'm at Brighton Marina, and these are oysters growing on the side there. Look at them. Some underwater. Very interesting. Some of them open. There is a lot of them there, but I've told they're not good to eat because obviously it's a marina with lots of boats. It's not the freshest of water, but yeah, you can see they're all, a lot of them are gaping down there. A lot of them. Now look at them all. In fact, look at that. Look at that one there. No, come back, please. Why? So there we go. Yeah, oysters in Brighton Marina.
I do some magic.
Phoenix, don't play that. Come on, let's go.